In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact HubSpot support in just 5 minutes. Whether you're facing technical issues, have billing queries, or simply need some guidance, connecting with HubSpot support can be a straightforward process if you know the right steps. Let's go ahead and break it down so you can get the help you need efficiently. To start, head over to the HubSpot homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice the login button prominently displayed. Click on this to get started with accessing your account. Ensure you have your credentials handy, as you'll need them for the login process. Next, enter your email address into the provided field. This is usually the email that's associated with your HubSpot account. Once you've entered your email, click on Next. If you've set up your account to sign in with Google, it's just as simple. Click on the option to sign in with Google and select your email address from the list provided. This will take you directly into your HubSpot account, eliminating the need to remember yet another password. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. Here, your next move is to locate the help icon. It's usually represented by a question mark or a similar icon, often found in the top navigation bar. Clicking on this icon will reveal various support options available to you. From the drop-down options, select Start a Chat. This feature allows you to communicate directly with a support representative. It's a great way to get immediate assistance, and most of the time you'll find this option to be quick and efficient. Once the chat interface opens, you're ready to start typing your message. In the message field, type out your question or describe the issue you're encountering with HubSpot. Be as detailed as possible. The more information you provide, the better the representative will be able to assist you. Once you've composed your message, go ahead and hit enter. This will send your message and initiate a conversation with a HubSpot support team member. After reaching out, it's typically a short wait before the support representative responds. Meanwhile, feel free to prepare any additional questions or details about your concerns, as it can make for a more productive interaction. And there you have it. You've successfully initiated contact with HubSpot support. Remember, having all your account and technical details ready beforehand can make the process smoother. We hope this guide has been helpful and empowers you to confidently reach out for support whenever necessary. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.